Here, this is pretty much the home screen of the VPN application, very simple to use. And all you have to do is just go at the top here, which is auto select server. You can tap on that option here to pretty much select your server that you want to use. As you can see here, pretty much the same server that they have for this application. And once you select the server, you're pretty much good to go. And once you tap on the connection button here, you do get other options where you can test the speed of the connection. Nothing much for that. And in the settings option here, nothing much as well. So all you have to do is tap on the connection button here. We'll start connecting. As you can see here, it's connected right now. Once you're connected, you get pretty much good to go. And yeah, that's really pretty much it for this VPN application. And to stay connected, you need to add time. And the only amount of time you'll be able to add is pretty much 5 minutes, which is very bad. I would say for this application, at least 15 minutes, but 5 minutes is bad. And also the servers are not that fast as well, so developers for watching this may need to improve on some things here. But with all that said, guys, let me know your thoughts on this VPN here in the comment section. Stay tuned.